Hey guys, what's up? Today, we're going to be learning how to use the replace function in Python. For this video, I'm going to be using a Python online compiler called repel.it. So, for example, we have the variable str, and then its value is a string, which is I love blank. And then afterwards, we are going to be replacing blank with even more blank. And then you can stop there. But then, if you want, you can replace the even instead of even more blank with more. And then you print it. So, for example, I love more blank. So, we'll be going on to the website. And then let's create our variable. Our variable for this video will be A. Next, we're going to do equals. And then we're going to we're going to add a value to it, which is going to be, let's just do hello. And then if we look back, we have the variable and we have the value. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new variable. So for this one, I'm just going to put new A equals, let's go back and see. So it's A dot replace. We're going to do A dot replace sorry. It's going to be A dot replace, and then parentheses, quotation, and then next we're going to put hello, which was our starting word, which we want to replace. We're going to go right one, so we're outside of the quotation. We're going to do comma, and then we're going to do another set of quotation, and then we're going to write what we want to replace this with. So let's just put bye. And then that's basically all it. Next, you're just going to do print new A. Let's run the code and see if it works. Yep, it works. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. It would really help me out. And yeah, put some effort into making my videos. Bye guys. Hope you learned something.